Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammed Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please just take a second and click the red subscribe button to subscribe our channel. This really means a lot for us and you will be able to find a lot of useful videos that can help you to increase your knowledge about Odoo. So let's discuss about the today's topic. Today's topic is to add states and workflow on the course model. So what I'm talking about is if you go to the sales module and click here to open any sales order. Here we can see the states that are available: quotation, quotation sent, and sale order. And here some buttons are available. So whenever someone click on the confirm button, this state will change from quotation to sale order. So this kind of functionality we want to add on the course model in our custom module, which is Open Academy. So for this purpose, what we need to do is to add a field where we will have to add these states that we want to add, and then we will add different buttons, and on the button click we will change the state of this record. So for this purpose, let me open the module Open Academy.py file, and here inside the courses model we will have to add a new field with the name state. You can name it whatever you want. So states is equal to fields dot selection. The field type should be selection, and inside the selection we will have to define the values that we want to display on the form view. So it is in the form of the something like a dictionary, you can say, or uh, sets, but here the first value will be the key and the second value is the label, or you can see the string that will be displayed on the form view. So the second parameter, the second value that we want to define is something like in progress. So when the course is in progress, then this should be activated, and then we want to show like completed, and the label should be completed, and then we will add another state like cancel, and here the label will be cancelled. So these are the states that we want to display, and here we can also add some more attributes like string should be a status, and then read only is equal to true. We want to make it read only. Tracking is equal to true. Tracking means that we want to display the changes inside the chatter, and then we want to add the default value for this, like the default value should be draft always, and then we need to make copy false because we don't want to copy this field whenever we duplicate the record. So these are the some necessary parameters that we need to add. If you want to check other parameters in the default code, you just need to copy it from here and then paste it and search here in the Python code, and you will be able to see a lot of examples that you can copy the code from here. So this is it, we have added in the Python, and then we have to add in the view also Open Academy.xml, and here we will have to add it in the header section. So add another tag above the sheet with the name header, and inside header define a field name is equal to state, and then you will have to add widget status bar. So this is necessary, otherwise this will not work. So let me just restart the service and then go to apps, and under the apps we will have to click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade, you will be able to see the states will be added on the uh, form view of class model, and then I will show you how you can show some specific states also. So go to the Open Academy, and here click this record to open it, and here we can see that states has been added, and by default the draft state is activated because this record is in the draft state. So we can see draft progress in progress. So let me just update the a label here in progress. We can show it like this one, and then completed, and then cancel. So whenever I click on the create button, so the new record will be in the draft state. So this is the purpose of this draft attribute, default attribute, and the purpose of the copy attribute I will show you later, and the purpose of the tracking attribute also I will show you later. So this is it, and after that, uh, what we can do, for example, if we want to only show these three states and want to hide it, if there is no record inside the cancel state, so it should be hidden. So what we can do, we can add in the XML another attribute like status bar visibility equal to. So here we can define the states that we want to display always on the form view. So for example, I want to display draft in progress, and then completed. I don't want to show the cancel state always. So let me upgrade the module, and then we will see the effect. After the module upgrade, you will be able to see that you will not be able to see the cancel state anymore. But once the record is moved to the cancel state, then you will be able to see the cancel state. So let me go to the Open Academy module, and after that you will be able to see it here. So here we still can see it. Why? Because we have made some mistake. So what is the mistake? Status bar visibility. Sorry, we have made a mistake. It is status bar visible. It is not status bar visibility. So this was the mistake that we have made. So let me upgrade again to see the effect. And at this time it should work fine, and you will not be able to see the cancel state anymore. So after the module upgrade, you will be able to see this change. So let me go to the Open Academy and open this course. So here you can see that only 3 states are now appearing, and the fourth one is hidden now. So this is it, how you can add the states. You can also add some more attributes, but in the next video we will discuss about how you can add some buttons to move through these states. Like by default it will be draft, but you can click some button, and on the button click to change these states from draft to in progress, and in progress to a completed state. So this is what we will discuss in the next video, and please if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your colleagues. Thank you.